Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit vocals on PC. On BandLab, editing vocals is an essential step in music production as it transforms raw recording into clear, balanced and professional sounding audio. And BandLab on PC provides a user-friendly mix editor with built-in tools such as trimming effects and pitch correction. In order to edit, you need to open to your web browser. In the top, you can find to this web address bar, type down bandlab.com and enter it. And make sure to log into your BandLab already, and you can go to your project here, or you can also create a new project to edit, as I'm going to select the old project over here and select to this edit mastering here and select to the studio over here. Over here you can select the vocal track as well. For that you can also increase or decrease the vocal audio in the left hand side over here. You can simply double click onto this clip over here. You can cut, copy, delete the clip as well. If you want to rename the region, you can do that as well. Over here you can select a tons of icons. You can use the normalize voice cleaner, changer, splitter, and that is it. After that you can save it or publish it with other in public as well. And that is it, editing vocals in BandLab on PC. Straightforward process that involves audio adjusting levels and applying effects. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.